This tutorial is to help teachers logging into ChildCloud and accessing Virtual Classroom for the first time. You would type in your email address and your password, click Remember Me if it's your personal computer, and click Login. The first page you see will be your dashboard. It may look different depending on which modules the school administrator has chosen to share with you. You would click on the left-hand side navigation bar under Academic and go to Virtual Classroom. Here you'll see the different subjects. If you haven't added anything yet, it'll just be a blank screen, and you would have something that looks like this with an Add New button. You would click on the Add New. You would choose one of your subjects that's been linked to you. So for example, you could say English. You could write a subject outline for that subject for the year. This is where you would upload your the textbook for English if there is one. Otherwise you can just ignore that. So there's the subject that is created, is English for grade R, and now I add a topic. So topic under English could be nouns. Very easily done. Now I add a lesson. So the topic is nouns. I could add a lesson, whichever it is. You could type in an overview, type in some content, any tasks you wish the children to do, any resources, for example, a chapter in a book. You can upload a file, link to a website, or embed a video. You then allocate a day and a time that you'd like that lesson to appear on the parent's calendar. You tell the parent how long that lesson will be. If you want, you could also add a Zoom meeting. Click Add Lesson. So now you've added the lesson. There's the lesson you just added. It's offline, which means the parent can't view it. If you want, you literally just click the Publish button, changes to Published, and then you can preview it. So there's the lesson you just created. Okay. You can edit the lesson if you wish. You can go to your calendar, and there's the lesson I just added. And the parents will have an overview of all the lessons you add, depending on which days you link it to on the calendar. Okay. You can go back to your preview button, and it shows you all the different lessons and subjects that you've loaded. And you can literally edit each subject, by clicking the edit button. Quite easily, you can edit the subject, the topic, or the lesson. Okay, click the pencil icon, and then you can go back and edit that lesson. It'll take a little bit of getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it is quite simple. If you get any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.